How to solve Valorant DirectX Runtime crash. First, outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are very common cause of DirectX errors. But of course, you have to identify your graphics card. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type DXDIAG and press Enter. Download latest drivers. Go to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Second, when installing new drivers, choose the custom or clean installation option if available. This ensures all driver files are removed, preventing conflicts. Third, install the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer. This installer checks for and installs any missing DirectX Runtime components. And lastly, you could try to repair and reinstall Valorant and Riot Vanguard. Corrupted game files or issues with Riot's anti-cheat, Vanguard, can also cause direct errors.